Hello everyone, I'm based out in Sydney. How are you today? You probably will already know about this, and in this video, we'd like to come back to the issue and the thing in the Kakaru that the car came to us about 2 weeks ago, and we already checked out at the time. Everything was working in terms of the fuse and relays in the car. But even without any problem with the fuse or relays, the whole infotainment and entertainment system in the car still didn't work. It comes in with a completely black infotainment system. There's no screen working 100% black here. There's no radio, AM, FM, CD player, DVD player, 100% no response. There's no response of the system under the passenger seat, and there's no response from the amplifier under the driver seat. And furthermore, there's no response from the roof LCD over here. So and of course there's nothing about steering wheel control, and there's no reverse camera or any surrounding camera in the Kakaru system, which you know that it has 3 camera in the 360 camera setup, one in the front, one on the left, and one at the rear, and another one is on the right, but the one on the right seems like deactivate. So basically the whole infotainment entertainment in the car completely stopped working before the car came for inspection 2 weeks ago. And after checking all the fields and realized we couldn't find any related problem, issue costs, and then we actually had to discuss with the owner of the car about a plan of upgrading and replacing the system with something else, custom build, to bring back most of the function as we could. So yes, the owner already visits many other audio places, and none could be done, none could be back. And yes, he was happy to discuss to the final detail quickly, and it was approved right away that he's happy to drop the car back to our workshop for the fix and upgrade, which both of us we were planning for that thing. So about last week the car came back to our workshop, and of course it's still nothing's working. So we got the car in the workshop with the same plan and intention to fix and upgrade the system and getting back the most of the function as possible, because we already know that it seems like there's some very severe damage inside the system, which was something at the serious level. We got the car in and we followed the plan to fix and upgrade. So we basically already move out and remove all the entertainment and infotainment system, the head unit out, the part over here all out, and we already remove all the parts from amplifier, and we remove the roof LCD here. So we start working on the plan to fix and upgrade, but at the same time, if we still felt that okay, there's something we want to go to find the answer why it didn't work, like the whole system completely black and dead. That's very very important answer to find, because just following our straight plan as we already agreed together, that's absolutely no problem for us, and we are working on it, we are doing like that. But we still want to do more the work on the side. We want to do as more than we already thought about, and because we couldn't sleep well when we couldn't have all the answer that we want to hear. So we actually do more works, we do more research, we do more work, we do more tests, a lot more tests. Okay, we want to find out where was the cause, where was the problem. We want to find where was the root cause of this issue. And we went again. Okay, so we actually went again through the whole relay and fuse under the bonnet here, and we definitely know that the car has a lot of upgrade part, but we actually don't find any problem over here, even though that we saw the car has many of the spaghetti wiring from many other accessories that fit into the car, like spaghetti in the engine bay area here, but we don't we don't find the issue. We tried to check out all the fuse and relays over here. There's no problem, nothing relating to that, and even not a single fuse got blown. Okay, not a single one, and no relay issue as well. And once again, we actually look down here. You know that there's a bunch of fuse right down here. Okay, we pop out the cover here, and then we actually check up the whole fuse once again over here, which actually is very painful to check everything once again. And then we search and do all the tests around the wiring setup in the car. Okay, so we did everything possible, and finally, even though that we keep working on the same fix and upgrade plan with the hope that we can recover most of the function, but because we already did enough tests, we did enough work. So the very, very, very good news, great news, is that we found the problem and we fixed the problem, and we bring back the whole entertainment and infotainment system back to the normal working condition. So look at this. From a very completely dead system, no response at all, currently we already got this one back. Now look, so you see that it comes back, and it's reading the DVD discs from here, and it shows the DVD discs over there, and then it actually popped down the LCD screen over there. You can see the skeleton LCD screen because we did the work when we tried to fix and upgrade it. So yep, the roof LCD is working beautifully, and with the remote control as well, or from the screen control over here as well. So you can see that it works normal. Okay, things working normal. Back again, yes, it's back again. So we can fold. We actually are folding the screen over here, and we turn that one, and it fold down again and open the screen. Okay, so everything is working normal. All right, everything. Now what we want to say is, at this moment we can confirm that the system is working normal as it could be. So we felt very, very glad, we felt very, very happy that we actually spend more effort, we spend more time to do our works, and we already found the real problem in this particular case, and we already have the owner to recover the whole original system back to the normal working condition. Before he left our workshop, he still talked to me that, okay, James, could you please try, if you ever could, bring back the 360 camera system on the new head unit screen. And I said, okay, let me try my best. But at this moment, yeah, everything is already recovered, much more than he expected, and much more than we also expected, because we actually got a very no hope on recovering the whole system like this. But so awesome that at the end of the day, at the end of several days doing tests and work and thing, now we are happy to say that this Kakaru is back to normal. Okay, it's back to normal for the entertainment and infotainment system. So we will now keep working on it and do our direct upgrade of the 9-inch premium setup, which will bring in a 9-inch premium wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Autos and integrate into the whole car system, including the 360 camera and sound system, makes the sounds better, and keep all the steering wheel control, and keep the 360 camera as well. Yep. So currently I don't plug in some of the connector at the back of the head, so that's why the 360 camera doesn't show up. But we already test and we know that it definitely is back to normal working condition. We're just now doing more tests only. That's why we unplug and leave some connector stay behind, but 100% the whole system is back. So give me a second, I can prove that. Let me have a check here. That's important. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, sorry for that. So the system is back and we plug in all the neat thing to show you how actually it is this. So here we go. Let's press the 360 camera. Okay, you can see that is 360 camera, and yep, here we go. That's camera turning. That's front camera, and that is the left side camera, and that is front and left. Yep, and now reverse camera. Okay, so it basically already recovered everything, and yes, we are very happy to tell that currently everything is back to normal, everything, and our system now will integrate into the new system here with a new 9-inch screen very nicely. So great news, and tonight we can sleep well. So yep, we are looking to see you soon in another video that we will do the review of the new premium system fit into this Kakaru. If you have the same issue like this, a completely dead system by a sudden reason, don't be so panicked, because now we can be confident to say that you might still have a good chance if you bring the car to MPX Autos. We will have a look at that, and hopefully we can help you to recover the whole system like this. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.